something of a slow burner in terms of chances. Iniesta has found a way through with a fortuitous deflection. He takes the shot. Iniesta scores. Well, we said he's capable of raising his game. Andres Iniesta opens the scoring for Barcelona in the second City derby. That deflection from the Espanyol defender just bobbled the ball away from the Espanyol defence, kept it under control of Andres Iniesta. Good finish from one of the stars of the Barcelona team. Worthy applause for Andres Iniesta. Espanyol will need to go more out on the attack. It wasn't dealt with by Galan. Nobody really came for Andres Iniesta. Amat sat back. Iniesta scored, dedicates the goal to ball into the centre, headed in by Gerard Piqué. Carlos Puyol cheers the team on. Gerard Piqué's made it 2-0 in the opening pair of minutes in the second half. Another crucial goal for Gerard Piqué. He scored against Villarreal. In that match, Mascherano is getting some words from Pep Guardiola. But it's his defensive partner, Gerard Piqué, who's got onto the score sheet with his third goal of the campaign. Came in a simple header for Gerard Piqué. Raul Rodriguez had got caught up in a kind of pick and roll basketball style move. Piqué ran him in.